Hello, my name is John Gibson, and I came to Dr. Gary because of a fantastic recommendation from my wife Sabina. About 10 years ago, she had had a really positive experience with Dr. Gary and the team helping her with her low back pain, which was almost neuropathic in nature, and nobody had solved the problem. She was so happy with the treatment that she insisted that I come and see Dr. Gary when I fell and twisted my back, ending up in me having a spasm that, although I think I can take pain quite well, ended up being in the range, I think, of 8 to 10 out of 10 when it was there. It was awful. I couldn't do anything. Anyway, I came to see Dr. Gary. He gave me a lot of hope. He was very positive, and he was able to arrange an MRI for me, which I had within a day, whereas because of all the issues going on earlier this year with COVID and so on, it had actually been difficult for my regular healthcare provider to even get close to getting me an MRI. I got one the next day. The results showed what we really expected, were a couple of bulges here and there, but the biggest bulge was a 6 millimeter bulge between L3 and L4, and it was causing me serious pain. Cut the long story short, I had a 24-session treatment set with Dr. Gary and his amazing team. They were very positive, they were very bright and breezy. You felt good anytime you showed up here, and every time I left, there was a bit of an improvement. Now you're seeing me speaking about 6 or 7 months later. I'm feeling really good, and it's made an enormous positive difference to my life. So actually, I didn't expect to be doing this interview, but I just happened to drop in to give Dr. Gary a little gift that he and I had been talking about, one that I knew that he would appreciate. And then I was asked to give this interview, which I do with great pleasure. I congratulate Dr. Gary and his whole team for a fantastic job well done on me, and I know that many, many others feel the same. Thank you very much.